Okay, now. Hello, goodbye, hello, goodbye. Piggy poo! That's not nice. That's not nice. He gets an hello moto and I get the finger. Want a nice walk coming up. me back in the wind. Oh, a Kit Kat. Rubber dinghy rapids, bro. You alright? This is where Wendy does all her action. In here.
Oh, you've been mean.
Mary's game at 5 till 7. Peter's game
And
at
then
7 till whatever. And then my dad said,
there's a little boy. I need to find that. I need to find that bully. Play football with him.
he goes to
You're breaking the football.
Oh, yeah, he goes
Well, no.
Just splash it everywhere.
Bringing the football.
It was a bit of week and that was it.
You're bringing the football.
his dad said he's the only thing, look at all the stuff I've brought, and that's the only thing I forgot. I've got bubbles and guns and all sorts.
Can't play it. No.
I think you had to play black one, didn't you?
Battery though. You were doing me. Sure. Don't kick me. When you get up the room.
She said it.
She did it with me. She did it with me. I got going back. Samuel.
Oi, oi.
She wouldn't. I told her that why you think yeah. Mum. I need to tell you actually, is that popcorn?
Og! Og! I missed you, Og. Every time I throw something. How are you, son? Beep, beep. I'm fine, and you? Fucking hell, you here?
Yeah?
You here? Fuck, don't, go away. No, don't, please. Got
You
it.
feeling tender, are you?
Gonna,
Where's
got
your
it.
seat gone?
Hey,
Where's your seat gone for the grapes?
fuck off. I've got a test drive next week.
Test drive.
Hey? I'm gonna test another one.
Alright, Roy.
Shut the fuck up.
Plus I'll get pisses all over that.
Oh, baby, where are you?
Where are you, mate? Fucking hell, pal.
How
How are you, love?
Alright, you, mate.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Missed you. Any closer to having another bike, yeah?
Still waiting for the fucking landlord, mate. He's given us in writing that within 2 months I'll have the garage. 2 months has passed
got
now.
enough.
Get out of them fuckers. Still got to be pissed out.
I got that. I got the gooch.
He'll be fucking wanking over that today.
I've got the gooch.
Fuck all
Alright, mate, take it off. Catch you tomorrow. See you next one. Trot.
Fuck off, you cunt.
I got him! Oh yes! Oh, I've got a bit of og porn. I've got a bit of og porn.
You're a fucking twat.
And I'm moaning, I'm sweating and tits off. She's like, yeah, it's Aileen here.
Hello, Roy. How are you?
All the piglets.
That's it.
I'm buggered. Up the rail!
We're in the croc area of the camping if you want to.
Crock, yeah, there, you know. There'll be 3 silvers.
Got any wood?
Yeah, I left it at home.
I think we're alright at the moment, thank you.
Thank you.
Any rubbish?
Well, yeah, but we'll wait and stack it all together.
Oh, right.
And it takes less room up in the bin back there.
A pull-in and I'm having a break.
Well, yeah, we pulled in, but we were missing on out. Honestly, right.
I've never done one of them yet.
My cheek pads.
Didn't like it,
Were
did
wet
you?
through. Not we were in.
Well,
Tears. I was crying.
Yeah.
Crying laughing.
Yes, I ain't done that yet.
I'll be ready for getting off and giving the machine a good eye.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh, that's when I'm on the floor.
Oh, there he is.
When you just do it through your phone, to be fair, that's the only reason why I brought a flip one. So when I do the editing,
You fucking did the water test anyway, Roy, on the way down here, mate, and it still works.
it's a different,
You got fucking drenched, the poor little fucking thing did.
it's a much easier
I
software.
haven't got. It's the same size and everything, but I've had
Plus, there's a bit
the
of a cheat, you know, when you
cheaper
when you're
version.
editing
They
through.
did a copy called the JJC. I don't know if you've seen them.
JJC, I think I got one of my mates, one of them, yeah.
19 quid, 20 quid it was, something like that.
Use one of these.
Seems alright. Work. Well, you set your game
25 seconds.
at honest.
Yeah,
The
so
only
your editing
thing
bit
I've
comes up like that.
adjusted on this.
So then
You
it's
won't
just
see
as
it because you've
simple
got your
as
mic connected, have
bring
you?
it to your
Oh, no, the game when the mic's on,
Yeah.
-10.
play,
You're on that?
yeah.
I'm on 14 at the moment.
Yeah, it was minus 12, and I upped it a little bit
Play it again.
to minus 10, and I'll just keep it minus 10, seems alright.
Yeah.
And do that, and do it that way. Or you can actually do it the quick way.
Are you staying?
Play the video.
No, no, I've got to go. I should have been working
Play the
Sunday.
video from there.
I'd asked for it weeks
Shall
and
I
weeks
move
ago.
around now?
Because it's my weekend to work.
Yeah, so just,
And I'd asked to swap it from
so
Saturday
just
to
hit
Sunday
record,
weeks ago.
watch the bike out there,
We won't know till a few
and as
days
I follow the
beforehand.
bike,
So I've got
Are
to
you
get back.
coming that France one then, or what?
What, Pyrenees?
What are you
stop.
doing, Pyrenees?
Which fence are you on about?
saves that.
Well, we've got that one in
And the
May,
trick is, if you've got
Can't
any
do
kind
that
of
one.
rotating chair in your living
and
room,
then
or something,
we've got the Pyrenees,
get
haven't
your
we?
video up,
At the
sit down
moment,
on your
I think I am
rotating
on
chair,
Pyrenees.
I'm doing both now.
just move yourself around.
I definitely can't do
And it
Normandy.
saves all your little
Yeah.
timelines
And it's
all
for
that,
so much
like,
and
you don't have
nothing
to- none of that
because
then, it's just,
we're awaiting
and then
caravan
you
from
can
Scotland.
still zoom
which
in,
either a
and
week
zoom
or 2
in.
weeks beforehand.
Okay, and just
So
hit
that
record.
Normandy, Luke wants to do it.
Yeah, because I put it
Right,
up
so
on
it'd be ideal to fetch you.
studio and I'm just
But I
like
don't
looking
think
at
he'd
it
do
going,
it with such a big group. You know what I mean?
Is you just used to you and them, like,
So that
kind of
should have-
thing?
If it was for argument's sake, me, you, Peg, Nath,
Yeah.
he'd have probably done it because he knows it.
sorry, I'm
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Tonight, mate, hey,
How do I
tonight
do
is the night. You didn't get
terrible,
strawberries
really,
No,
today at the
no,
garage.
it's
I
not.
said, what about
What
some
is it,
strawberries?
500 gig?
Oh, no, fuck them,
like
too
that.
sticky. Guess what he got?
just
I
saw
like
terrible.
that. I put it
Like,
on
fucking
silly
sherbet
money,
lemon.
just
What Luke's
something
got?
like
I pulled the tooth out with a sherbet lemon.
The
The
ones
chewy-
with the dust, but
Yeah,
Eh?
the fucking
Next week.
idiot. He's going to have 2 out
You know, 'cause
tonight.
I'm
might have
gonna
something in
use
here
it
to
for
sort that out for you.
It's much easier on a phone.
It's downloading it.
It's like I just did a wedding.
You know what we've got?
Just
One
around
got
three,
one hog.
3.5.
I said to her, I said,
Got a
I'm gonna
6
use
metre
Should have been
one.
3-1.
I'm
I
gonna-
went for
I
2-6.
said it'd be on a tripod,
Bad.
so the camera's this
That's
big.
good for its
I
size.
said,
Oh,
What's the
well,
VH
literally
one?
where
Well,
the
then
priest
she
was
did
stood
some-
and them both stood
show
there.
us some
I've got my
food.
the X4 here
The
on the
laughable thing is,
and it got
Is it single or twin?
they were moving around the church and it
310 single, yeah. The laughable thing
and
is,
the whole fucking kickadoodle. And she
You know
was
what
like,
it is?
what the fuck?
You
She
know
was
when
expecting me
Sonic
like
got
running around with the camera.
the laughable thing is,
Then only plug one in.
Zooming in,
Next
and
to
I
my
agree,
phone,
I
or
said-
was it blue one
camera
side?
gets empty. I don't need to fucking.
it's like,
I was sat in the
That's why
fucking-
we
Daddy
we
bike,
got
baby
everybody
bike.
else said
They look
something
exactly the
fucking wrong
same.
Yeah.
But then I
It's
used
red,
the
everything's
desktop,
exactly the same.
but that was only because I was
Doing your
bringing
fucking
this
teeth
back
back in.
Really nice.
and just bringing bits and bobs.
So if you want to bring
got it-
something,
we
it's
got it
better
off,
on the desktop. Just
Dave Gardner.
What I would say, what I would say is
Yeah.
use your phone for all
What a
your
lovely
stuff.
fella.
Once
We
you've
went
got
up,
all
went
that,
up to Dave's, he
then
had a look
book
at
it.
everything
a
and
week and a half.
did the deal with
fucking
them.
19 days.
I'm going on it. I've got a test next week on
But if
another
it's just
hand.
something
2 weeks, Cape Verde,
And
all
bike
inclusive.
or something
I've
like
gone
that,
to the 1100.
Got that many clothes, mate.
Yeah,
We've not been away for about
and
16
it's only
years
going to be
ago.
No, the
Got that many
what's
clothes,
it?
it's always shit.
I'm looking.
We're
Then I
going
just use
after
your phone.
I don't know if I
Leeds,
like
so
it.
we've
That
just
rebel.
ordered
Well, what, see what we
That
we had.
like a cut.
It's very low down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I sat on
We
the
were allowed
500
10
one,
and
and
then
it's
I'd still use your
over.
phone.
So we had that.
I overshadow it kind of
Well, what
thing.
we did is we got there.
Too
Who was
electric
flying
small
with?
for
Two.
me.
Power director.
Oh, we
Me and
kept
Luke
the
was
same
out
way.
providing.
Put mine on it. I think mine was
January.
made at 18. Put the whites on it.
We've done the country lanes
Because
up towards Lancaster.
Yeah.
We were going
I
from
did
Lancaster.
usually the tones,
East.
you know, on the scale, when I
Right.
see I'm trying to fucking hold
Pulled
to
in-
something.
pulled into this
Obviously, they're going to be
area.
accurate.
There was a little
Put my daughter's on, that was 36.
Oldish
I thought, fuck
woman.
man, I worked out. I say it's £12 per kilo.
That's probably only about that big.
That's about fucking 220 quid there.
1100 Rebel.
The 1100.
Like the other
1100.
couple we went
Best
with,
bike
theirs
she's
was
ever
way
had.
under.
She said it's thirsty.
And then it was just like getting the car.
Rideability,
Person when I went.
Yeah.
I said, like at the bank says, mate, drink the
Said I'll give it
air.
a try.
In
then.
total, you're within a limit.
Yeah, shave.
And the card over.
Shave.
I'd imagine they all must be like that. Yeah, I suppose if you said, because you've got 4 cases of books, and a couple of over and a couple of Monday.
I've got fucking tons of shit, man. I got shorts for every day, and then he decided, well, there's fuck all doing Cape Verde apart from eat, sleep, and drink. So I'm going to be in the pool all the time. So I needed fucking swim shorts. So I got them for every day.
That's what I did. I bought, we went for 7 days. So I
I've
got 7
seen
shorts,
empty shorts.
4 4 swim shorts, a 14 t-shirt on the day, t-shirt on the night, or 2 pair of shorts.
It's in the wank bank for tonight, mate.
So next week I'll get me fucking
Piggy's
tank
coming
bag,
round, we're
next
going to
week.
have it on the big screen.
How you doing, buddy? You alright?
Did you see how lucky you were with that fucking warranty?
Oh, fucking hell.
21st it runs out.
Because I fucked around with it.
Have you been in
Is it
touch with her?
21st?
21st
Fucking hell.
of September.
Because I was fucking
It's
around with
lucky
it last
it's gone
weekend.
now and not in a few weeks' time when you're doing bollocks.
And it was fine. And last night I thought, well, I'll charge them all up and put all the others in. I put that one in. And just at the bottom, the light just flashed white once. And I thought, oh, put another cable in.
It's normally red,
once
isn't it,
again.
when it's on charge?
Oh, everything, and I
Is
thought,
it the
well,
battery though?
well, next I thought, then I thought, I wonder if I cooked the battery, having it on charge all the time in Germany. So I took the batteries out to put them in the charge dock and I charged.
So it's definitely
And I put the lead in the camera, we let the batteries in, the camera come on. I thought, so it looks like the charging circuit's gone in the camera. Which I thought it had a problem, so I can just do that. Just one wide and the other battery's charging. I thought, well, I'll just check anyhow. So
See, 360 is this shit, mate.
Well, when you text me, I
need
I
a
was already in bed
DJI.
then, and I said
I
to
want
the
to
missus,
say
I
I
went,
was
I
couple of weeks.
thought you won't see this till in the morning. You'll be
yeah,
in
well,
bed.
I said to her,
Hey.
I rolled over and went, duck.
Are you, buddy?
Well, yeah, but
Yeah, you good?
it was his
So the
fault.
next free camera, I said, when
It
did
was
the
his
warranty
fault.
run out? And by the time she'd flicked through it and seen, I was already gone, fell asleep. So when I woke up this morning, I went like, I said, fuck duck, I said, how did you get on? I said, did you find out? She said, yeah, I always spoke to Craig. I said,
Yeah, 'cause I didn't-
football, she's already messaged me.
Because I got up this morning and she sent it through Messenger because she said, I don't know what your email is. So
Peggy.
I saw it this morning when she replied. I
Yeah,
thought,
take
fucking
it,
hell
he's had
about
Oh,
enough.
she's in good as she is. I'm in bed fucking giving it snores and she's sorting it
What's
out.
that?
I just don't know when I did it last time. I don't know if they sent me money of what I paid for the camera at the time,
Or what it is now to
what a new
replace it.
camera was at the time. But even if they only give you what it is now, if you wanted an X4,
Yeah. Just put the extra two
just
in.
put the extra two. You've still got an X4. It's
Yeah.
a hell of a lot cheaper than what they are in the shop.
Yeah, but then it's no good to your adapter and that. It's no good to you.
It's only an adapter.
Yeah, but just make you buy one of them, wouldn't I?
Adapters
I'd say I'll have that off you.
For
The adapters aren't expensive, are they?
I think it was 17 quid. The
I was going to say,
adapters.
mine wasn't
Yeah.
much.
Mine was not.
Everything.
If they do give-
Batteries are different.